Welcome to today's class. If you put on the tap when fetching water and refuse to turn it off, the water will continue to rush out until the water in the tank is finally exhausted, right? Another basic keyword in programming is do, loop, while or until. Means to repeat a section of code forever or while or until the specific condition is true. The condition may be evaluated before each iteration of the loop or after. If I give you an instruction to go to the market and get a list of food items, you definitely head straight to the market. Another basic keyword is go to. It means to jump to a numbered or labeled line in the program. Another keyword is go sub. It means to jump to a numbered or labeled line, executes the code it finds there until it reaches a return command, on which it jumps back to the operator following the go sub, either after a colon or on the next line. This is used to implement subroutines. For example, if I give an instruction and I say, lock the door and go to bed, you will do one at a time. In summary, we learned basic keywords in the basic computer programming language. See you in the next class. Bye.